Hello again, Year 7s, and welcome to the next video for equations, algebraic equations. Exercise 10b here, solving equations by inspection. Forget inspection, it's just basically by trial. The L will come out, and error. Geez, my writing is even worse on using this tablet. Anyway. That's my issue, not yours. Alright, so exercise 10b, solving equations by trial and error. Alright, so solving an equation means that you find values for variables to make the equation true. Okay, so remember we might have had something like x plus 7 equals 10. Alright, to make the equation true, we need to find the missing value of that variable, or the value of that variable, to make the equation true. Okay, an unknown in an equation is a variable, also known as your pronumeral, whose value needs to be found in order to make the equation true. So that's solving it. So when you need asked to solve an equation, it means finding the value to that that pronumeral, that missing value. Okay. So one method of solving equations is by inspection. Remember, don't worry about inspection. It's called trial and error. All right. Can't say don't worry about inspection, you'll probably get that word down the track. So what inspection means is just basically by trial and error. You put values in and see if you can work out what the what the value is to try and make the equation true. Alright, so it's just trying different values. Let's get straight into some examples. So for each of these equations, find the value of the missing number that would make it true. Alright, so something times 7 equals 35. Now I know the answer straight off, but trial and error means, okay, well I'm going to put in a value of I don't know, 4. So I'm going to put 4 in for this missing value. Okay, that's what the value is there. So 4 times 7, I've got to work that out now. 4 times 7 is 28. So that's too low. All right, and I can see there's a bit of a difference there. So I'm going to try 5. So 5 times 7 is 35. Excellent. So the missing number to make it true is 5. All right, that will make that equation true. Here, 20 minus something equals 14. So again, let's just try something. So I might go, let's do something easy. Oops. Get rid of them, sorry. 20 minus 5. So 20 minus 5 is 15. Oh, so close. I was one off. So if I'm one off, it means I've got to go one extra here. So 20 minus 6, did you like my acting then? I thought it was pretty good. 20 minus 6 equals 14. So my missing value is 6. Okay, and then that makes that equation true. That easy. Alright, so solve each of these. So what I want you to do, remembering some of these, so the number and the letter side by side means that is actually 5 times b. Okay, so make sure you get that right. I want you to actually pause this, have a crack at these 3 problems, come back and we'll check them together. Alright, off you go. Hopefully you have paused and not made me sound silly again when I say off you go, and then I'll keep talking and you haven't done anything. So make sure you have actually paused and go and do these. Anyway, so I've got to find a value to make this true. C plus 12 equals 30. So I've got to have something plus 12 to equal 30. So I'm going to try, I don't know, we'll try 15 to begin with. 15 plus 12 is 27. And that does not equal 30. So that is false, that's not going to work. Okay, so that's not going to happen. Alright, so but I'm only 3 off, so I'll add 3 more to that one. So 18 plus 12 equals 30. So 18 plus 12, whoops, he's making a few little mistakes. 18 plus 12 is 30, which equals 30. So I've made that one now true. So my missing value, which means C, equals 18. Okay, 5b equals 20. So 5 times b equals 20. Again, if you know your times table and you know these, you don't have to keep doing this, but it is basically a guess and check type thing. Okay, straight away I know that b must equal 4 here, so I'm going to say, alright, I'm just going to try this. 5 times 4 equals 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. So that left side and right side are equal, so I know that one is true, so I know that b must equal 4. Okay, this one. 2x, so 2 times x plus 13 equals 21. Now it's a little bit more tricky, so let's chuck something in here. Alright, I'm going to say 6. Alright, so let's say 2 times 6 plus 13. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 13, and that equals 25. So I'm 4 too much, so I'm going to cut this back 4. I'm going to say, what am I doing? 4, got to cut back 2. Okay, so I'm going to say, instead of that, I'm going to say 2 times 4 plus 13 should equal hopefully 21. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 13. And 8 plus 13 is, I'll just say, equals 21. So this left and right side will equal. So that is now true. So my value for x must be 4. Okay, that's my value for x. X is 4. And I've just made that one true because the left and right sides will equal. 8 plus 13 is 21. So x must equal 4. Actually, I'm going to fix that one up. Make it. Okay, so 8 plus 13 is 21, which also equals 21 on the right side. So that must mean x equals 4. I'll set it out that way. Makes it look a little bit clearer. All right, that's it. Nice, easy, quick one. All right, so that's all it is. Trying to solve equations by trial and error. Put some values in for your unknown, solve the equation, and hopefully it ends up working out to equal your right side. Left and right sides will equal. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, go back and review it. If it still doesn't make sense, come and talk to your maths teacher, such as myself, and yeah, get a bit more explanation done. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.